Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to drop fruits or seeds and grow a garden 2 game of Roblox on PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. On mobile phone, if you want to drop a fruit or a seed, you just need to tap on the drop icon. But here on the Roblox PC, you won't see the drop icon guys. So I'm going to show you how you can drop the fruit. Okay, first you just need to go to your backpack. You're going to open up your backpack and then select the fruit or the seed that you want to drop. I'm going to select my maple corn, for example. Okay, you're going to hold it and you're going to click on the backspace button on your keyboard like this, and the fruit will be dropped. And when you drop a fruit guys, the other players will be able to pick it up. So you can use this feature to give something to the other players for free. You can also drop pet, seed, it's up to you. Let me do it one more time. I'm gonna drop a seed. I'm gonna drop this maple corn seed. Okay, just click on the backspace like this. Okay guys, and that's how you can drop fruits and grow a garden 2 game of Roblox on PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!